Wow, 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 wow. God bless Enogie. Enogie, you are a good person. You are a good person. You are your wife. You guys are wonderful. I appreciate you. Now, no matter what, they know they use waiting no go take the pay person when they do when they pursue person they go. You understand? Or poor as France they do nourish. Una still dash a microwave. Now God go bless you now, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time and according to the location, wherever you are watching this video from. If today is your first time coming across Proud Mom Gist TV, Proud Mom Talk Show, you are highly welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking your time watching my video. I so much do appreciate your presence deep down my heart. If you never like and follow my page, what are you waiting for? Support your girl, support your sister. Do me well, like and follow my page. Share my video, guys. Pizza. Por favor, share my video, share this video out, share this video out, guys. More they appreciate good thing. Share my video, more they give me love and like. Okay? God bless you, my people. Enogie they talk. You know, they reach mind. He's a very good guy. He's a very good guy. Imagine, why he all there. When they give people my address, they do and reach. This boy, he still give a microwave. Microwave when he just remain, he say make it call carry. Tell me say this guy not be your guy or no gay. And God go bless you. Those your children, As you tell they do for them, they go do for you. As far as say you feel get the heart upon, or as Frank tell they do you and your wife, you should still get the lovely hearts to give her microwave when still use remain. Lord when still buy, when still show am say me still they buy. For woman, when they come my house, you not bring chocolate. Chocolate, matter. When I ask and say, you they come, you not buy chocolate. He said, my children not get papa. Whether now you go buy the chocolate, I was like, Jesus. My people, upon as this boy they do, and not get rich. And not get buy a microwave. Because he advised me, he say, me go buy, he challenge me go do shopping. And you know, a matter be Napoli, you understand? Hey, Jesus. So, you know, now you do this one, I no expect them. Upon as this boy they do you rich, you still get the heart to give her this one. Wow. Yes. Wow, my people. More na listening, waiting, more na can see. Waiting Enogie dash and waiting he buy. And the advice when he give Frank. The challenge when he challenge Frank. You know, even though not be your wife. Even though not be your wife. Frank. Girlfriend that they buy and give this one where you don't get where this one where you date so still prove to them say yes you are not a big boy, proud mom don't put you through. They do like Enogie, not see Enogie now. He carry a wife go more tend to go buy do shop if now you go say bring you won't go build those stairs. Oh stair don't matter chocolate in you. What don't damn it all? I don't like for free. I don't damn it.
This is the Enogie one of Deutschland. Yes. If I'm Victor Noah, right? Mami Uzuae. Imeo Hameya Bokeke, not to analyze it. When I tell you that I have upgraded. Understand?
Wow, congratulations.
I mean, now, truth really analyze that video.
You do.
That boy na fool.
You dey hear am. Na today you know. Well, pause. You don't reach for social media. Na why? Na why? My sister, la go wo. Na today you know say this boy na out there. La gbagbe me.
The boy ni ozu wa no.
Who better? Now you dey know. When I talk, that means una no dey believe me.
Like this money, person talk and I say,
una dey hear.
My food, if my mother they put Frank for put food for Frank table, who be me to stop am? Now they analyze, so I'm not stopping there.
I will continue later. Where butter?
Go for this, now they analyze since.
He go continue later.
Analyze the thing, you must stop.
Oh, stop. As far as I say you are concerned, now you they give a view. Now your bekus they give a view. One more where you turn around no way. Okay, later ya waru wa no we no give away. If you just they say as go say no give just to faka. When they be say you know they give young girls like that what you need to. Tell me why why you go come away for your party. That guy, he be like better thing. Just as say he's not capable. He's not capable. Okay, now the microwave parts now I can't give my people. I don't know whether I go fast and small. More na see the microwave when he buy for Frank, when he won't give Frank. More na help me appreciate the good work of enogie, because not be everybody get that kind of heart to give person microwave. You don't understand. No matter what, as this boy they do, they reach, he still see what thing go, still good for him. He give him. Yo.
Now Facebook,
So, very Frank, very,
automatic, not be me.
very, what?
Wait. You like saying a year.
Now that was the way now.
Don't go blow and come out. A boy need conscience.
Eh,
Mama, bring it right now.
I dey find that
Nora.
place. The microwave when he give
Yes,
am, okay.
good girl. Anyone want wear? Anyone want wear? Ya wear you get
Microwave, that microwave now, okay.
You there, Mama?
Only leave one. Only this family.
Yeah. Before you talk,
Get this safe.
we are not.
No, na listen.
No, do says next month.
What's
Wait
that today?
now.
Oh, arrow, they can't do
It. See, I wanna cut me. It. Because some people feel they feel same. Okay, now.
Now that microwave, more na hold on.
to work.
Now,
And
when I am.
we still get to go on our own.
Na here.
Oh, now I'm move for. I made that one it.
Hey Frank.
Only I've been a muge Frank. Ona, I'm making them. Ona.
Okay, guys.
Wow.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ya.
Wow.
Ìlú ẹsẹ̀ 2 years in there. Now work make be then move for. Need change.
She said she don't use this microwave. He don't say she won't throw where may go put her for dustbin. But as the core reason as a person day when he be say the sokma, one of our brother when he still be presenter, may the your call and make go carry this microwave. My brother, you know, say you just come like that to me. I go bring the posting money, okay? Mama Nora, I go give her the posting money. We are all one. Okpa Mayaki will be one. All those gra what we also do for social media is on. It's not. It's uncalled for sometimes, you know. Let us. They say love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. You understand?
I don't use that. Reach 2 years. I say no. I don't use this microwave.
Frank, it's still, you know, the thing still fresh, oh. You know. Now 2 years, it don't just use them. You mean use 2 years and a new one you not buy them. I bet more not throw away. Frank, go give Frank. You go need them. Wow, God go bless enogie. God bless you. Now you know see a man like enogie at the fan. Oh, you go like body ya. Man like enogie when you go do the buy me maka. You go just dey okay. You go you're fine, tall. You know. You go take caring. You go know how to tolerate woman. You know. You go be. You know. And enogie to say you never married now you are for your married. Then enogie is the best. Ah.
Wow. There another one. It's still work you. If you need that, Frank, I been supposed to have you, Frank.
Mama.
Oh yeah, Only where my children? Where my guests?
Good bed muffin.
Oh, there go. Now Dove. Yeah, L17, big one.
This is a set. Can I have your pampers?
Oh, they put more pampers.
Very yeah. So when you are beer from Vito, go and give back.
Already be Italian, you know where the button okay. I guess it be Italian, you waru boni any or whatever. Yeah, what more you way? They just give them food or you get guess many for Italian. You go so bono. Mona, no your worry. No your worry. You understand? For that one, no your beer. No, not Jamie women for not too easy like that. For Italy or what more. Or waro, just they come out for live video. You know how many Italian person when they talk say, oh, I carry you, I carry. You know how many Italian person when they find me, and so they go see the fan after all. It's a celebrity.
Oh, they put more pampers.
We are beer.
I don't arrange a banner, so angry. They put more pampers because they don't get where they put shoes.
Wow.
So they put a pampers, everything.
Wow. Now what I say me I got tell on be this. You know, just give Frank microwave. Una see am this life, my people. Please, if you and person get contact, no matter what, he's still your brother. Now just normal talk. If you get any help, you won't get person. No man not look anything. I beg. Use enogie as a point of contact. Oh, use enogie as example. You see, as him with Frank they do rich. He still won't give a microwave. He still they motivate him. He know how to buy clothes. If they say he buy me all those clothes that time, my girl you don't understand. If you not come out, when they talk, we're not supposed to talk. You understand? It's very good for man to be caring, you know. Thank you, enogie. Now I know say na for my sake. I know say, you know, now if you look what Frank do, you not go do him now for my sake. And now God will bless you. Edimofia one and normal. Edimofia collect Wopoma. Ah, my brother enogie. May God continue to bless you in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Please, guys, join me to appreciate enogie for the microwave when he just give our brother when it is not too good for him. It is not too good for him. Any man video, understand. At least, okay, microwave for very like still come out. It don't be microwave one still come out. Mama make kitchen show. Have a Yahweh fit you. You know, microwave you know. God bless you, my brother. May your pockets may they continue they come. May your money continue. May they plenty every day. God bless you, my brother. You see, and please, guys, let us be our brother's keeper. Please, I beg you, give me love and like. What are we so the comment section? Very important. What it matter be say before now, Baba need to forget to give me love and like. Now that one is very important to me. God bless you, my people. Now bye bye for now.